If you're seeing this video, that must mean you really love crispy buttermilk fried chicken. Well, let me show you how I made it. First, you want to grab some buttermilk, and don't worry, you guys, the exact recipe will go out to my newsletter at the link in my bio so you can get the ingredients there. But it's just buttermilk, seasoning salt, Cajun seasoning, and garlic pepper. Whisk that all up together and then add an egg. Whisk that together and then just add your chicken. You can brine overnight or up to an hour, and then you want to go right into your breading. Mix the breading in with the same seasonings that you put in the brine, and then you want to pop it right into your hot oil. Cover with a lid a little bit, just like this. Leave a little space, and this is what you'll get. Super crispy, tender, and delicious fried chicken. Enjoy, you guys.